Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I know it's something interesting that I definitely wanted to try, and I definitely wanted to share these results to my beautiful babes. Yes, we're going to be talking about the results I got from using sour cream from head to toe. I did this for 3 days straight, y'all, and I wanted to share with y'all exactly what happened. Listen, if you're new to the channel, come on, join my beautiful babe brigade. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and you'll be in the know. And I am getting ready to explore the sour cream right before your eyes. This is the 3rd day that I'm trying this, and I have been loving how my skin feels every single day. Y'all, we have so much sour cream, and I had to get through it because Mike was like telling me, listen, you got to use the sour cream, otherwise it's going in the trash. Y'all know how he is about his kitchen. So guess what? I read about it, I found out about it, and I've done this on my face before, but not as an all over body treatment. So that's exactly what I'm doing. But listen, not just all over body treatment, from head to toe. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. In case you don't know the many wonders of sour cream, this product, sour cream, has an active ingredient, which is lactic acid, which is actually like a type of alpha-hydroxy acid. So that's the amazing part about it. That lactic acid is going to help naturally remove dead skin to promote new skin cell generation. Now, it's going to even out your skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. That's what I wanted to share with y'all, because this is amazing and it's cheap and it's probably right in your refrigerator. Now keep in mind one very important thing. When you're using anything that contains lactic acid, which I just said is a form of alpha-hydroxy acid, it can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. So be sure you use a sunscreen when using sour cream in your beauty routine. Y'all know that I always use some type of sunscreen, definitely when I know that I'm heading out into the sun, and I'll link all of the ones that I use down below in the description box for you if you're looking for something with an SPF of 30 or higher. I usually try to get 50. Definitely. But y'all, back to sour cream. It's rich in protein and lactic acid to help restore moisture and exfoliate. Now, I know I'm going to be all over the place with this video, but I just wanted to share my thoughts and how I feel about sour cream. Now, when I applied sour cream, even the first day, I instantly noticed some great results. Sour cream applied to your skin will help to make it smoother. That's what I did notice. And alongside of that, it's going to help to nourish your skin and improve the texture. And gosh, how much can I say about this stuff? It's going to help stimulate collagen. It can form the connective tissues and support the skin. Yes, and if you have dry skin, this is going to be your best friend. It's going to help retain moisture in your skin. Now, as far as how long to leave this on, I recommend just about 5 to 10 minutes. That's going to be absolutely amazing. Now, you don't have to do this 3 days in a row like I did. Simply do it one day. Try it out once a week. That'll be amazing. Yes, indeed. I'm shifting gears for a few seconds just to let you know, yes, it can be applied onto your hair as well. I did that, and it conditioned my hair. It'll also help detangle your hair, treat dandruff, and even stimulate hair growth. Absolutely amazing. And the best part is it helps to protect your hair from sun damage, making it an amazing all natural sunscreen. How about that? Absolutely wonderful. Y'all, this is going to change your game. It's going to help cure skin problems. Sour cream is useful for treating different types of skin problems. Let me tell you, acne, wrinkles, freckles, and other hyperpigmentation can be treated with the help of sour cream. That is because it is rich in lactic acid and fat, and it's going to help nourish your skin and improve the texture and stimulate collagen production all in one. Amazing. Now, as far as anti-aging, y'all know that's my thing right now. Girlfriend, let me tell you, I want everything I can put on my skin that's going to help prevent premature skin aging. Sour cream is here to help prevent premature skin aging because it is very useful to reduce the signs of age spots and wrinkles and fine lines. Now be sure that if you're using a sour cream, let it be one that is a full fat sour cream for your skin recipes. Definitely. Now before I applied the sour cream, y'all, I took it out of the refrigerator the night before, and when I got up the next day, that's when I applied it, because otherwise it's going to be super, super cold if you have it in the refrigerator. And let's talk about a third thing that's great, which I mentioned it earlier, that is great for dry skin. If you have dry skin, a weekly sour cream mask can help your skin lock in moisture. And as I said, you don't have to do this 3 days in a row like I did. You can just simply do this once a week. If you have dry skin, you can use the sour cream weekly and help your skin to maintain moisture on the skin. Now, I know many people have used it as a facial, but I'm talking about from head to toe, all over your body. 10 minutes, leave it on, up to 10 minutes, leave it on, and you're going to find that you have, oh my God, some very nourished skin. Now, a fourth thing is I always get questioned about certain things that does this lighten your skin. Now, actually, sour cream is said to be one of the best things to lighten skin tone. Just like heard, rubbing your skin with sour milk will make your skin smooth and firm. Sour cream is all about that, and it also helps in removing tan as well. So I'm not meaning to take away melanin. I'm just talking about that it will help in improving blotchy skin, and also it helps to soothe irritated skin. So already letting you know in the beginning, this is a form of alpha-hydroxy acid. So the one thing that it will do is to help exfoliate your skin. And the buildup of dead skin will cause your skin to look dull and lifeless, and this is going to help perk it up. I just wanted to share this with you in case you didn't know of something you can do. It's about to be that kind of weather that you want to show more skin than ever, and sour cream can definitely be the one thing that you can count on to say, hey, I am feeling good, I'm looking good, your skin is popping. I love what this did for my skin, y'all. Super, super, super nice. Try it. Let me know if you took on the challenge to get these great results for your skin. I'm watching. Leave me a comment down below if you did in fact do this particular home remedy. I'm super excited to hear from you. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now, but you know I'll be back to you. Definitely I will. I try to hit you up every day over here because I'm always up to something good, and I want to share that with my beautiful babes. So if you want to be in the know, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend where you're hanging out at, and the way you do that is simply to share me with your world. You can share this link on Facebook. You can share it on Twitter. You can share it in an email, but just share me with your world. Thanks a lot, beautiful babes. I'll see you soon. Bye now.